The 1987 Philippine Constitution reacted. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy, under the rule of law and the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Who ordained and promulgate his Constitution. Article 1. National Territory. Article 2. Declaration of Policies and State Principles. Article 3. Bill of Rights. Article 4. Citizenship. Article 5. Suffrage. Article 6. Legislative Department. Article 7. Executive Department. Article 8. Judicial Department. Article 9. Constitutional Commission. Article 10. Local Government. Article 11. Accountability of Public Officers. Article 12. National Economy and Matrimony. Article 13. Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14. Education, Science and Technology, Arts, Culture, and Sports. Article 15. The Family. Article 16. General Provisions. Article 17. Amendments or revisions. Article 18. Transitory